Your phone rings. You look at the screen. It's a number you don't know. You answer. A voice says hello. Am I speaking with you? You say yes. This is me. Who is calling, please? Say it again, slowly, like you mean it. Yes, this is me. Who is calling, please? The voice says, my name is Helen. I'm calling from Bright Future Company. We saw your application. We'd like to invite you for an interview. Your heart beats faster. You say, that's wonderful news. Thank you so much. Repeat that. Feel it. That's wonderful news. Thank you so much. Helen says, are you available this Thursday at 10 in the morning? You think for a second. You say, yes, Thursday at 10 works perfectly for me. Now shadow both sides. Are you available this Thursday at 10 in the morning? Yes, Thursday at 10 works perfectly for me. But you have questions. Good. Ask them. You say, could you tell me the address, please? Repeat. This is a sentence you will use in real life. Could you tell me the address, please? You say, and how long will the interview take? Repeat. And how long will the interview take? Helen answers, about 45 minutes. We'll send you a confirmation email. You say, perfect. I'll be there. Thank you, Helen. She says, we look forward to meeting you. Have a great day. You say, you too. Goodbye. Shadow the ending. I'll be there. Thank you, Helen. We look forward to meeting you. You too. Goodbye. You hang up. You sit still for a moment. Then you smile. It is Wednesday evening. Tomorrow is the interview. You stand in front of the mirror. You practice what to say. First question, tell me about yourself. You answer, my name is. I have experience in. I am passionate about learning and growing. Now you say your version. Use your real name. My name is. And I am passionate about learning. Second question, why do you want this job? You answer, I want this job because I believe I can contribute. I am a hard worker, and I am ready for a new challenge. Repeat the key phrase. I am ready for a new challenge. Third question, what is your biggest strength? You answer, I think my biggest strength is that I never give up. Say it. Own it. I never give up. Thursday. You wake up before your alarm. You are nervous, and that is okay. Nervous means you care. You get dressed. You look good. You say to yourself, I am prepared. I am ready. Say it with me. I am prepared. I am ready. You arrive at the building. The receptionist looks up and smiles. She says, good morning. How can I help you? You say, good morning. I had an interview at 10 with Helen. Repeat. Confident voice. Good morning. I have an interview at 10 with Helen. She says, of course. Please take a seat. She'll be right with you. You say thank you. Just 2 words. But they matter. Thank you. Helen walks in. She shakes your hand. She says it's great to meet you. Please sit down. You say it's great to meet you too. She says, tell me, why did you apply for this position? You say, I applied because I want to grow, and I believe this role is the right fit for me. Repeat the course sentence. I believe this role is the right fit for me. Helen asks, do you have any questions for us? You say yes. What does a typical day look like in this role? That question. Again. What does a typical day look like in this role? Asking questions shows you're serious. Remember that. The interview ends. Helen says, thank you for coming. We'll be in touch. You say, thank you for your time. I really enjoyed this conversation. Repeat. Thank you for your time. I really enjoyed this conversation. You walk out of the building. The sun is out. You think, I did my best. Say it. I did my best. And that is always enough. Fast review. No thinking. Just speak. Who is calling, please? That's wonderful news. Thursday at 10 works perfectly for me. Could you tell me the address? I am ready for a new challenge. I never give up. I have an interview at 10 with Helen. I believe this role is the right fit for me. What does a typical day look like? Thank you for your time. I did my best. You just lived a whole experience in English. Not a lesson, an experience. Every sentence you repeated today, you own it now. The next time your phone rings and it's in English, you will know what to say. Because you practiced. Because you showed up. Because you didn't stop. This is English Unleashed. I'm David, and I'll see you in the next one.